Here is how to turn on or off parental controls on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off parental controls on Roblox. So let's start. First of all, open the Roblox app and log into your account. As you log into your account, you will come to the home screen like this. Then after, tap on the three dots on the bottom right hand side. Now scroll below in the options and go to settings. Inside settings, you will find parental controls. Tap on it. Now in order to enable parental controls, you can keep a pin as well. So if you want to put the pin, tap on the toggle on the parent pin section. Then after, add the email if you have not yet added, and then enter the pin. After you enter the pin must be added while changing the settings. Then after, you can select the age group that you want to set. You can either select 9 plus or 13 plus or 17 plus. After you select a particular age group, the parental controls will be enabled. Now let's say you want to turn off the parental controls. Then simply open Roblox and log into your account. After that, follow the same process as said before and tap on the three dots on the bottom right hand side. Then after, go to settings. Inside settings, go to parental controls. Now if you want to disable the parental controls, select all ages in the age category. As you do that, the parental control settings will be turned off. So in this way, you can easily turn on or turn off parental controls in Roblox. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.